Hey there everyone, this is Janvi Pujari and I welcome you all to the very first YouTube video of mine. So guys, I'm a self-taught web developer and I know the struggles to be a self-taught web developer. You always need mentoring by somebody else, but also you feel insecure that whether I'm on a right path, whatever the things I'm learning will secure me a good job, will I able to land that first client. I have gone through it all and I am here to help you out through all of this and encourage you with this journey. And if you have any doubt, please let me know in the comment section. Okay, so I am in the collaboration with the Newton School. So if you are confused what is Newton School, let's see what is Newton School. Newton School is a platform which prepares you for the career in tech. It has a variety of courses for the working professional as well as the people from the non-tech background who has a no coding career at all. Isn't that amazing? Also, they train you for 6 months and ensures that you get placed in the best companies in the country. That's not the best part. The best part is they have pay after placement facilities which ensures that you do not need to pay until and unless you get placed with minimum 5 lakhs ATC. Now that is something really amazing, guys. Do check out their page. And also one more thing, here you can see Launchpad. Launchpad is an initiative by Newton School for the students who want to learn coding from scratch, and here you can do as much as quiz you want and assignments you want to practice for the free of cost. Isn't that cool? And I want you all to go and check out their pages and try your hands on with this practice questions. I'm gonna surely do that and I will suggest you all to do the same. Okay, so let's see what exactly are we going to do in this video. Many of you all have asked me in the question on Instagram that how to make amazing CSS projects. So I thought let's start from basics, and today we are going to do progress bar. So let's see how to do that. So I have came on this Launchpad, and here we are going to write our HTML code first, and for that I will write first h1 tag and I will write loading since that is a progress bar, and let the class name be container, and inside that container let's make one more div and which is called as progress bar. Next, here in below you can see the output. Now what to do? Now we will do CSS, yeah, the fun part, and the animations. Also, if you don't know how the animations, transition, everything is being done, and if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. I will make a special video on it accordingly so that I can clear your basics and you have good command on CSS. Okay, now what we need to do, yes, so first we have to target our container class, that we have to make height. We have to, you can write anything, for example 20 pixels, 30 pixels, accordingly. It's your wish how much height you want for your progress bar. You can write like that. Here I will go with 20 pixels. And now what are we gonna do? We're gonna put some background color for it, like the initial background color before the loading thing happens. So I will go with the basic gray color. Yes, now what are we gonna do next? Next, let's put positions. One thing, guys, you have to put positions to animate your elements. Positions are important part, so if you have doubt in positions as well, let me know in the comments. I will make one detailed video on it as well. Now Now that we have styled our container, let's go to the progress bar. So here I will target it with its class name. And similarly I will put position as absolute. Now why I have written position as absolute is because whenever there is div inside another div, to make sure that everything is managed properly within the inner div, we have to write its position as absolute. Okay, so let's move further. Let's fix its height. Well, I'm gonna keep it 100%. Basically that doesn't gonna matter because we will also define height in the animations also. Now let's put background color. I'll go with orange, basic orange. You can put any color as you like. I wish to make the container as 30 pixels. Okay, so I think that will look much more better. So as I said earlier, you can put any height. Now keyframes. So why keyframes are important? Because that will define your animations, and after keyframes you can write any name for animation. Let's start from 0% to 100%. So here from 0% I will say the width of it will be 0%, and when it goes to 100%, let the width be 100%. Now whatever name you will give in the progress, that name will be your name of animations. The same name you should use inside the progress bar to style it accordingly, like the duration, how much time you want to iterate. Now for that there is a one shorthand called animation, where first you will write the name of your animation. Here as I use progress, and then you will write the time duration till when you want your animation to go on, and also iteration. Here I have written 5. Like how many times you want your animation to run. So hope you guys like this video, and tell me in the comment section if you want to see similar videos like this, and also if you are confused with how to use Launchpad. There are other editors as well, but there are many practice sessions and quizzes here in the Launchpad, and I would suggest you to surely check this out. Bye bye, have a great evening.